Hello, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great. Now, guys, look, I just kind of scrambled to find one that was kind of interesting, and it's the ATXG. Now, look, it's had this big pullback right here, and but it did win a bunch of races at the beginning. Well, it's won 3 races so far, and the thing is that what I'd be looking at now, though, is to see if it, after this big giant pullback, if it maybe gets over 5 again later on, okay? But you can see that it just had a tremendous run from $4 all the way up to 526. That's, well over about 25-30% move. So it was really, really awesome that when it was moving up. But of course, now it's had the big rug pull. And you've got to be careful on these. Of course, they're low floats and, you can't stick around for very long. The market has had a mini recovery after yesterday's devastation. So it didn't see too many follow through, on these type of scans in the race. But thought I'd point this one out, especially if it can get back over 5 later on. All right, guys, let's get back into the room. Want to get back into the room, so I'll open the room tomorrow at 8 o'clock Eastern. Hope to see you then. Bye-bye.